When people hear the words vitamin C, they usually think of cold prevention, fatigue recovery, or perhaps brighter skin. But those are only small fragments of what this remarkable nutrient truly does. From a medical standpoint, vitamin C is far more than a simple supplement. It is a vital molecule that repairs, protects, and rejuvenates the body from within, functioning as a silent engineer that keeps the entire system of life running smoothly. Inside the human body, vitamin C acts like a microscopic technician. It contributes to the maintenance and regeneration of nearly every tissue: skin, blood vessels, muscles, and nerves. Without adequate amounts, the body begins to rust from the inside out, functions slow, recovery weakens, and aging accelerates. That is why vitamin C is often called both an antioxidant and a natural repair agent. Yet many people do not use it properly. They may take 2 tablets every day, but still feel tired, notice dull skin, and experience swollen gums. The issue is not only dosage, it is timing and absorption. Vitamin C must be consumed in the right way and at the right intervals to unleash its full potential. Humans are unique among mammals in that we cannot synthesize vitamin C ourselves. During evolution, we lost the liver enzyme that produces it, so we must obtain it daily from food or supplements. Even a single day without intake causes a measurable drop in blood concentration. Once replenished, however, the effects appear quickly. Fatigue diminishes, wounds heal faster, and cardiovascular function improves. Every breath we take, every contraction of a muscle, every thought we form requires oxygen and generates oxidative byproducts known as free radicals. Vitamin C is the extinguisher that puts out that internal fire before it damages our tissues. By neutralizing free radicals, it prevents cellular oxidation, reduces inflammation, and preserves the vitality of organs. Research shows that people with higher blood levels of vitamin C have up to a 40% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. The reason is clear: vitamin C strengthens and repairs vessel walls, preventing cholesterol from adhering and triggering inflammation. In essence, it acts as the body's natural vascular mechanic, keeping the inner surface of arteries smooth and resilient. Its role in skin health is equally profound. Collagen, the protein that gives the skin firmness and elasticity, can only be synthesized in the presence of vitamin C. No matter how much collagen one consumes, without vitamin C the body cannot properly utilize it. Sufficient vitamin C leads to a clearer, healthier complexion and faster wound healing. This is not simply about appearance. It is evidence of efficient cellular regeneration. Vitamin C is also indispensable to the brain. Although the brain accounts for only about 2% of body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of all oxygen, exposing it to intense oxidative stress. Vitamin C serves as a protective filter that removes free radicals and shields neurons from damage. Studies of memory loss and early dementia consistently find lower levels of vitamin C in affected individuals. The vitamin participates in the synthesis and regulation of neurotransmitters, helping to maintain mental clarity and focus. When vitamin C is lacking, the body sends warning signals: bleeding gums, easy bruising, slow healing wounds. These symptoms indicate weakened connective tissue and fragile capillaries. Skin becomes dry and lifeless, and persistent fatigue sets in. Waking up tired after a full night's sleep often means that cellular metabolism is inefficient, an unmistakable sign of vitamin C deficiency. Within the immune system, vitamin C is indispensable. White blood cells rely on it to move, react, and neutralize invading pathogens. When levels fall, immune responses slow, and infections linger. Frequent colds or prolonged recovery from illness usually point to depleted vitamin C stores. Rather than merely boosting immunity, vitamin C serves as the switch that turns the entire immune system on. In short, vitamin C is the invisible foundation of bodily balance. Its absence does not only cause fatigue or dull skin, it disrupts the harmony of the whole organism. Understanding its role and ensuring daily intake is the first practical step toward lasting health. Understanding the importance of vitamin C is only the beginning. To truly benefit from it, one must know how to integrate it correctly into daily life. Taking a large single dose once a day does not work as effectively as maintaining a stable level in the bloodstream. Vitamin C is water-soluble and quickly excreted. About 2 to 3 hours after intake, blood levels reach their peak, and within 6 hours, they may fall to half that amount. Therefore, dividing the total daily intake into morning, midday, and evening portions provides steady antioxidant protection throughout the entire day. Morning is the first and most critical moment. During the night, the body uses up a considerable amount of vitamin C to fight oxidative stress. By morning, blood levels are at their lowest. Taking 500 milligrams after breakfast with a glass of warm water helps reactivate metabolism and restore balance. Adding fruits like oranges, kiwis, or papayas enhances absorption even more. It is best to wait at least an hour before drinking coffee, since caffeine accelerates the excretion of vitamin C. The second key time is midday. Around this period, the body is at peak activity. Muscles, organs, and the brain are all working at full capacity. Taking another 500 milligrams after lunch stabilizes energy and reduces post-meal fatigue. Combining vitamin C with an iron supplement doubles iron absorption, because vitamin C converts ferric iron into its ferrous, more absorbable form. For those suffering from anemia or chronic fatigue, this pairing can make a noticeable difference. Evening is when the body shifts into recovery mode, repairing microscopic damage and regenerating tissues. A third dose, preferably in liposomal form, taken about an hour before bedtime keeps the blood concentration stable overnight. When paired with collagen, it enhances skin renewal and elasticity. Many patients report waking up with brighter, smoother skin and less morning heaviness after only a few days of consistent use. This rhythm of morning activation, daytime support, and nighttime recovery creates harmony within the body. After 3 days, most people feel lighter. After a week, sleep becomes more restorative. After a month, energy levels rise and mental clarity improves noticeably. These are not placebo effects, they are real physiological changes happening at the cellular level. Hydration is also crucial. Because vitamin C is water-soluble, insufficient fluid intake reduces absorption and can irritate the stomach. Each dose should be taken with at least 1 full glass of warm or room temperature water. This simple habit ensures gentle digestion and optimal uptake. Supplements are important, but natural food sources should never be neglected. Fruits such as kiwis, strawberries, mangoes, guavas, and citrus fruits, as well as vegetables like red bell peppers and broccoli, provide vitamin C along with natural flavonoids and enzymes that prolong its effects. Including these foods daily not only strengthens the immune system but also supports digestion and energy metabolism. Certain habits, however, diminish the benefits of vitamin C. Excess coffee, black tea, soda, and processed foods all accelerate its depletion. Alcohol and smoking are even more damaging. Each cigarette destroys about 25 milligrams of vitamin C, and alcohol consumption forces the liver to burn through large amounts of it during detoxification. Smokers and regular drinkers therefore need at least double the normal daily amount. It is also best not to take calcium and vitamin C at the same time. During metabolism, oxalate is produced, which can bind with calcium and increase the risk of kidney stones. Leaving at least a 2-hour gap between these supplements helps protect the kidneys. Those with a history of kidney issues should limit long-term intake to around 1,000 milligrams per day. On the other hand, certain combinations can amplify the vitamin's effects. With iron, it helps form red blood cells. With collagen, it rebuilds skin and joints. With vitamin E, it doubles antioxidant capacity, and with zinc, it strengthens immune defenses and accelerates wound healing. Vitamin C acts as a biochemical conductor, coordinating the orchestra of nutrients within the body. The cumulative effects of steady vitamin C intake are profound. In the short term, energy increases and the complexion improves. Over time, the risk of cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes, cataracts, and cognitive decline decreases. It helps maintain vascular elasticity, stabilizes blood pressure, and slows the aging process. For these reasons, many doctors call it the vitamin of the arteries. Mental balance also benefits from proper vitamin C levels. With reduced fatigue, the body produces more serotonin and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters responsible for calmness and motivation. Thus, vitamin C not only protects the body but also nurtures emotional stability and focus. Ultimately, Vitamin C is more than a supplement. It is a complete system of cleansing, repair, and renewal. It protects the skin, purifies the arteries, strengthens immunity, and supports the brain. Every single cell, from the heart to the skin, depends on it for proper function. Health is not built overnight. It is the result of small, consistent actions. A glass of warm water and 1 tablet in the morning, another after lunch with iron, and a final one at night with collagen. This simple routine can transform your body from the inside out. It restores freshness to the skin, clarity to the mind, and vitality to daily life. Vitamin C is not a medicine. It is a natural source of balance and recovery. In today's fast-paced world, it acts as a quiet ally that restores internal harmony. 1 small tablet, taken with consistency and mindfulness, can make the difference between merely enduring the day and living it with true vitality. These insights are drawn from the clinical experience of Dr. David Park, an internist specializing in preventive medicine. Vitamin C is not a passing trend. It is a biological foundation of human well-being. Each daily dose is an investment in the future of your cells, the strength of your heart, and the calm of your mind.